What is application monitoring and how do you set it up for a production system? Deploying your application to production is not the finish line. It is the starting point of a completely new responsibility. Once real users are using your system, things will go wrong in ways you never anticipated during development. Application monitoring is the practice of continuously observing your system's health, performance, and behavior so you know about problems the moment they occur rather than when angry users start complaining. Modern application monitoring is built around three pillars. Metrics are numerical measurements collected over time like response latency, error rate, requests per second, CPU usage, memory consumption, and database query times. Logs are detailed text records of events that happened inside your application, including errors, warnings, and informational messages. Traces follow a single request as it travels through every service and function in your system, showing exactly where time was spent and where failures occurred. Key metrics every production application should track include response time, which measures how long your API takes to respond to requests. AptX score, which summarizes user satisfaction based on response times. Error rate, which measures the percentage of requests that result in errors. Throughput, which measures how many requests per second your system is handling. And resource utilization, which tracks CPU, memory, disk, and network usage across all your servers. Alerting is what transforms raw metrics into actionable information. You define thresholds, and when a metric crosses that threshold, your monitoring system sends an alert via email, Slack, PagerDuty, or other channels. Good alerting is specific enough to tell you exactly what is wrong, but not so sensitive that you get flooded with false positives and start ignoring alerts. Prometheus is a popular open-source monitoring system that scrapes metrics from your services at regular intervals and stores them in a time series database. Grafana connects to Prometheus and lets you build rich visual dashboards showing your metrics over time. Datadog and New Relic are commercial alternatives that combine metrics, logs, and traces in one platform with powerful querying and alerting built in. Distributed tracing tools like Jaeger and Zip can track individual requests across multiple microservices, helping you find the exact service or function that is causing latency or errors in a complex system. The goal of monitoring is to shift from reactive firefighting, where you discover problems after users report them, to proactive operations where you detect and fix problems before most users are even affected. Follow DevVerseX for more daily interview questions to level up your career.